Okay, let's start with the ancient history now. Who is the father of the prehistoric discovery in India? Who discovered first Paleolithic tool? रॉबर्ट ब्रूस फूट. सो प्री हिस्टोरिक डिस्कवरी या फिर हम उसको फर्स्ट पैलियोलिथिक टूल बोलेंगे. रॉबर्ट ब्रूस फूट. द the 3 age system divided into Stone Age, Bronze Age, Iron Age from the collection of Copenhagen Museum was coined by Jørgen Thomsen. 3 age के collection Copenhagen. The 3 age system divided into Stone Age, Bronze Age, Iron Age. जो 3 age system बताया गया है वो collection of Copenhagen Museum was coined by. ठीक है, स्टोन टूल्स को किसने कहा 3 ages का? तो जॉर्गेनसन थॉमसन. अकॉर्डिंग टू द एक्सकेवेटेड एविडेंस ऑफ domestication of animal began in Mesolithic period. domestication of animal कब स्टार्ट हुआ? Mesolithic period में हुआ. domestication of animal Mesolithic period में हुआ. आदमगढ़, होशंगाबाद मध्य प्रदेश और बागौर राजस्थान भीलवाड़ा से domestication of animal स्टार्ट हुआ. Which site provides evidences of domestication of animals in the Mesolithic period? Baghor. In Mesolithic context, evidence of animal domestication has been found at Adamgarh. 3 human skeletons in a single grave were discovered at Damdama, UP से. The cultivation of cereals first started in Neolithic age. Neolithic age में सबसे पहले cereals की कृषि होना शुरू हुआ. मेहरगढ़ कोल्डीवा से इसके एविडेंसेस सबसे पहले मिले. During the Neolithic age, the earliest evidence of the origin of agriculture has been found at which of the following place? The northwestern region of Indian subcontinent, Mehergarh. The earliest evidence of man in India is found in Narmada Valley से मिले. The first cereals used by man was barley. The earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent comes from Lahura Deva. Name the site which has revealed the earliest evidence of settled life. मेहरगढ़ से settled life के evidence सबसे पहले मिले हैं. The earliest evidence of agriculture in the Indian subcontinent, Mehergarh, Baluchistan. The cultural remains from Stone Age of Harappan civilization have been obtained from which ancient site? Mehergarh. In which state the Navda Toli is located in Madhya Pradesh, Navda Toli. In which state of India is the Harappan civilization site? Mandi situated, Uttar Pradesh में. Megaliths have been identified as burial sites. Ash mound is associated with the Neolithic site at Sangnakallu, Karnataka. Which place is famous for prehistoric painting? Bhimbetka. The OCP, orch color pottery, was cherished at Hastinapur. In the Chalcolithic period, people of Maharashtra buried their dead under the floor of their house in north to south position. नॉर्थ से साउथ पोजीशन पे करते थे Chalcolithic एज में महाराष्ट्र में बरी. Which sites has yielded skeleton of dogs along with the human skeleton in burial? जम्मू एंड कश्मीर बुर्ज होम से मिला हुआ है इंसानों के साथ डॉग का skeleton. The evidence of burying the dog with human body is found from which of the following place? Neolithic, Burj home. The evidence of pit dwelling has been obtained from Burja home. From which rock shelter of Vindhyas a maximum number of human skeleton have been found? Lakhia से. Stone Age people of the Vindhya migrated to the Ganga Valley in terminal Pleistocene period. Because of climate change, Vindhyar Valley had become dry. Where is National Human Museum situated? भोपाल में. Fire was discovered in Paleolithic age. फायर कब डिस्कवर हुआ? Paleolithic age में. Wheel was discovered in Neolithic period. The tendency of permanent residence in humans started in the Neolithic period. Koldiva is related to the first evidence of which cereal? Rice के लिए कोल्डिवा से. The first Paleolithic artifacts was discovered from पल्लावराम से आर्टिफिशियल आर्टिफैक्ट मिला था. Most of the tools of early Stone Age was made up of crystal stone. Who was the first person to who made racial differentiation of India's population on scientific basis for the first time? Risley ने किया था ये. Indian officer of Indian Civil Services, an officer of Indian Civil Services. Handmade pottery and use of potter wheel first appeared during Neolithic age. Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization was non-Aryan because it was an urban civilization. Aryan civilization was rural civilization. The important reason to keep Indus Valley civilization before Aryan civilization is potteries. The source of knowledge about Harappan culture is archaeological excavation. The main source of knowledge about the inhabitants of IVC is the discovery of seals. The earliest evidence of silver in India from Harappan civilization. Which color was commonly used in the Harappan pottery? Red. The beginning of idol worship considered in pre-Aryan. Which animal was not represented on seals and terracotta art of the Harappan culture? Cow. Butter. Elephant, bull, tiger, rhino. An inscription comprising 10 large size signs of the Harappan script is found from Dhalavira. Terracotta replica of the plough found from Banavli. Town is located on the bank of Ghaggar River, Saraswati River, Kalibangan. In which of the Harappan cities furrow of ploughed field have been found? Kalibangan. From which of the Harappan site terracotta of plough was found? Banavli से मिला. A ploughed field was discovered at Kalibangan से भी मिला ploughed field. लेकिन टेराकोटा ऑफ प्लाओ, अरे भैया एक है हल मिला बनावली से, और जुता हुआ खेत ये मिला कालीबंगन से. विच एंशियंट टाउन इज़ वेल नोन फॉर इट्स एलेबोरेटेड सिस्टम ऑफ वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट बाय बिल्डिंग अ सीरीज ऑफ डैम्स एंड चैनलाइजिंग वाटर इनटू कनेक्टेड रिजर्वायर्स? धौलावीरा. हरप्पा इज़ द बैंक ऑफ रावी. हरप्पा रिंकू हड़प्पा रावी के किनारे पे है. द ग्रेट बाथ वॉज फाउंड एट आर्कियोलॉजिकल साइट ऑफ मोहनजोदारो. ग्रेट बाथ कहाँ पे मिलता है? मोहनजोदारो पे. विच साइट ऑफ हड़प्पन कल्चर आर लोकेटेड इन सिंध? मोहनजोदारो एंड सुरकोटदा. विच साइट ऑफ हड़प्पा कल्चर आर लोकेटेड इन सिंध? मोहनजोदारो प्लस सुरकोटदा. द एक्सकवेशन ऑफ चन्हूद्रो वॉज डिस्कवर्ड बाय J.H. Mackey. Rangpur, where the contemporary of Harappan civilization was found, is in Saurashtra. Which one of the following is not an Harappan site? Sogora. The largest site of Harappa in India is Rakhigadi. The Indus Valley civilization people worshipped Lord Shiva. Who was the director of archaeological excavations that led to the discovery of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? Sir John Marshall. Sir John Marshall, director of archaeological excavations that led the discovery of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Lothal was discovered by S.R. Rao. S.R. Hostel is nothing but Lothal. Surkotda was discovered by J.P. Joshi. The first archaeologist who excavated Harappa but could not recognize its significance was Cunningham. The first metal used by man was copper. An ivory scale in Harappan context was found at Lothal, which one site is located in the valley of Ghaggar and its associated rivers Banavali, from where the evidence of rock cut architecture was found with reference to Harappan civilization, Dholavira, which Harappan city is divided into three parts. Dholavira, a highly advanced water management system of Harappan times, has been unearthed at Dholavira, from where the famous bull seal of IVC was found. Mohenjo-daro, a one-horned rhino engraved on the terracotta cake has been recovered from Kalibangan, the first ancient civilization to develop the art of writing in a proper system was Sumerian. The evidence of stadium are found from Dholavira. The evidence of rice lothal signboard are like advertisement found from Dholavira. Alamgirpur was famous for easternmost site of Indus Valley civilization. Sukta Indore was famous for westernmost site of IVC. The people of the IVC usually built their houses of Pakka house, a copper chariot in IVC found from Daimabad. It is also a site of Chalcolithic period. Who discovered IVC? Dayaram Sahani. Indus Valley civilization. Dayaram Sahani. So Dayaram Sahani. R.D. Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro. 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 In the Mesopotamian records, which of the following term was used for IVC? Mahula. The staple food of the Vedic Arya was milk and its products. IVC people traded with the Mesopotamia as IVC seals found from here. Dancing girls found from Mohenjo-daro was made up of bronze, which indicates commercial and economic development. Seals made up of statite. Earliest city was discovered in India, Harappa, from where remains of wells have been found in houses belonging to the development stage of the IVC. Mohenjo-daro. Havan Kund discovered from Kalibangan, from where famous bull seals of IVC was found. Harappa. Bread making factories were found in Chanduadro. Only Harappan site without citadel was Chanduadro. Okay, the next question is the term Aryan denotes a superior race. Meaning of the term Arya is in classical Sanskrit a noble man. Which of the following is the oldest Veda? Rig Veda. Trai is a name of Triveda. In which of the text the term Varna is found? Rig Veda. The Purush Sukta related to Varna system is originally found in Rig Veda. Sacrifice process is described in Yajur Veda. Atharva Veda talks about medicine. Rig Veda consists of hymns 1028 hymns and 10,555 mantras. The Rig Veda is the collection of hymns. Which of the following Brahmana text belongs to Rig Veda? Atharva Brahmana. Gopat Brahmana is associated with Atharva Veda. Gopat Brahmana Atharva Veda. Which mandala of Rig Veda is completely dedicated to Soma? Ninth mandala. The ninth mandala of Rig Veda is devoted wholly to Soma, the god who is named after drink. Rites and rituals related to yajnas are mentioned in Yajur Veda. Which of the following four Vedas contain an account of magical charm and spells? Ayurveda. Atharva Veda. Magical charm and spells. Atharva Veda. The compilation of which among the following is based upon Rig Veda? Sam Veda. The Sam Veda is Shortest among all the four Vedas, it is closely connected with the Rig Veda. The earliest evidence of the use of iron in India has been discovered from Atranji Kheda at bank of Kali. Upanishads are books on philosophy. Which one of the vol- following Vedic literature talks about the salvation? Upanishads. The famous dialogue between Nachiketa and Yama is mentioned in Kathopanishad. Nachiketa legend finds mention in Kathopanishad. Kathopanishad is the story of the conversation between Yama, Lord of Death, and Nachiketa, the young 12 years old who left home in search of the meaning of death and beyond. King Ashwapati is the Upanishadic period was the ruler of Kekaya. Correct order of the Vedic literature: Vedic Samhita, Brahmans, Aryankas, Upanishads. The river mentioned most in early Vedic literature is Sindhu. The Vedic river Kubha related was located in Afghanistan. Who among the following Vedic deities was believed to be their priest? Brihaspati. Vedic deities was believed to be their priest. Brihaspati. Sadanira was the name of Gandak. The name of Mahanadi during the period of Mahabharata was Chitrotpala, who was the Brahmavadini who composed some hymns of Vedas. Lopamudra. Many hymns of the Rig Veda were composed by women and they were called Brahmavadini. The prominent amongst them are were Lopamudra, Vishwaswara, Sikta, Nivavari, and Ghosa. Lopamudra was the wife of Agastya Rishi sage. During the Rigvedic period, word Niksha, Nishka was used for a jewelry, but in later period it was used for the meaning of coin. During Vedic period, the gold necklaces was called as Niksha, which later transformed the way for the gold coins. Nishka in ancient India was known as gold ornament. During the Rigvedic period, Nishka was an ornament of neck. Bogas Koi, Turkey is important because inscriptions were found which mentioned the names of the Vedic gods and goddesses. Bogas Koi inscription, Asia Minor, Turkey is important because there is mention of four Vedic gods, namely Indra, Varun, Mitra, and Nas Nas Nasatyas, which inscriptions tell about the Aryans movement of Aryan from ईरान टू इंडिया. बुगोस को ही बताता है कि आर्यंस जो है वो अफ़गानिस्तान वाले रीजन से या मिडल ईस्ट आर्यंस ईरान से आए थे करके. बुगोस कोई द इंस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ 14th century BC which describes the Vedic gods has been found in Bogaskoi. The priest associated with the king Videkha Madhava referred in the Satpatha Brahman was Rishi Gautama Rahugana. In the post-Vedic period, which was considered as the axis of Aryan culture, Kuru Panchal, because here great achievement happened in science, mathematics, Kuru and Panchal में. Astronomy, religion and philosophy. The word Gotra occurs for the first time in Rig Veda, means cow shelter, a, or a herd of cows. The religion of early Vedic Aryans was primarily of worship of nature and yajnas. In the Rigvedic period, people believed mainly in sacrifice and rituals. Famous Battle of Ten Kings was found on the bank of Porushni. Which river was referred as Madetama, Devitama, and Naditama in the Rig Vedic period? Saraswati. In the ancient period, which livelihood source of Aryans was agriculture? The word yava mentioned in Rig Veda is used for barley. Vrihi matlab rice. The Rig Vedic Pani belongs to traders. Pani during the Vedic period were class of traders. The system of governance prevalent in the Vedic era was descended monarchy. Sabha of Vedic era was council of ministers. The Rigvedic tribal assembly associated with the judicial function was Sabha. In which of the Vedas Sabha and Samiti are called as two daughters of Prajapati? अथर्व वेदा. अथर्व वेदा में कहा गया है सभा एंड समिति दो प्रजापति की दो पुत्री हैं. Ayurveda, that is science of life, appeared first in अथर्व वेदा. अथर्व वेदा मैजिकल चार्म और वो तो है ही, लेकिन अथर्व वेदा में लाइफ आयुर्वेदा भी वहीं पे है. Rigvedic religion was polytheistic. The largest number of Rigvedic hymns are devoted to Indra. Who among the following was the most popular god of the early Vedic period? Indra. Who among the following is regarded as war god of the Rig Veda? Indra. 800 BC to 600 BC is the related to which era? Brahmin era. The Gayatri mantra was first written in Sanskrit in Rig Vedic period by the Brahma Rishi Vishwamitra. Sarga Pratisarga Vansa Manavantara and Vansanucharitra are the indicators of Puranas. In which language was Srimad Bhagavad Gita originally written? Sanskrit. In Mahabharata, by what name were the Kunindas were known? Dwij or Dwijshrestha. According to Hindu mythology, which serpent offered himself a rope for churning the ocean? Vasuki. In which phase the concept of untouchability was put clearly? Dharmasastra phase. The statement Tamoma Masoma Jyotir Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya was mentioned in Upanishad. Fundamental or basic script of Rig Veda was Brahmi. In the Vedic ritual, Hota is associated with Rig Veda. Which animal was considered as Aganya during Vedic period? Cow. In context of Indian culture, Rit means natural law. The teacher who taught Vedanga for livelihood was called Upadhyaya. Matsya Purana lists 5 characteristics of 5 signs of Purana. Skandagupta, Kumar, Aditya are 5 features of Purana. The number of Purana is 18, composed by Maharishi Vedvyas. पुराणों को भी महर्षि वेदव्यास ने लिखा है, जिन्होंने महाभारत लिखा. The hymns of Rig Veda are work of many authors. Poetic form of Rig Veda are found in Samveda. The most prominent god in Rig Veda was Indra. They were nature worshipper. They were involved in idol worship. 250 mantras were written in him. 200 mantras were written on Agni, the second most important god of the Vedic age. Nivi, Paridhan and Athivas were the different types of garments of the Aryan age. Purush Medha, male sacrifice, is transferred to in Satpath Brahman. The earliest settlement of Aryan tribe were at Saptasindhu, Sarga, Pratisarga, Vansa, and Man, Maniantra and Vishnu Charitra were indicator of Purans. Puranas were written during Puransa, who was the first European to design Aryan as race. Max Muller, the Rigvedic god Varuna, was guardian of the cosmic order. Panini, the first grammarian of Sanskrit language in India, lived during the 6th or 5th period. Upanishads are books on philosophy. Buddhism. Lord Buddha gave his preaching in which language? Pali. Which of the event of Buddha's life is known as Mahavinishkramana, his departure from home? Gautam Buddha's mother was from which clan? Kolyan clan. From which inscriptions of dynasty Lumbini was known as Buddhist birthplace? Mauryan dynasty. From the Mauryan dynasty, Emperor Asoka's Rumindei pillar inscription. It is known that Lumbini is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. Which inscription of Asoka confirms the tradition that Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini? Rumindei pillar inscription. Buddha's attainment, Mahaparinirvana, death in the Republic of Mallas. Mahaparinirvana temple is located at Kushinagar. महापरिवाणा टेम्पल कहाँ है? कुशीनगर में है. बुद्धा अटेंड महापरिनिर्वाणा कहाँ पे? मल्ला में. हु वॉज द लास्ट पर्सन टू गेट एनलाइटन फ्रॉम बुद्धा? सुभद्दा. हु वॉज द लास्ट पर्सन कन्वर्टेड बाय बुद्धा? सुभद्दा. Where did Buddha reside during his last rainy days of his life? गौतम बुद्धा gave maximum servants at श्रावस्ती. श्रावस्ती पे सबसे ज़्यादा उन्होंने अपने सर्वेंट्स दिए. बुद्धा हैड विजिटेड कौसाम्बी ड्यूरिंग उदयन. कौसाम्बी गए थे बुद्धा, लेकिन उस समय उदयन राजा था. ठीक है. सप्तपाणी केव कहाँ पे हैं? राजगृह में है. हु प्रिसाइडेड ओवर बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल हेल्ड ड्यूरिंग द रीन ऑफ कनिष्का एट कश्मीर? वसुमित्रा. हु प्रिसाइडेड द बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल हेल्ड ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ कनिष्का एट कश्मीर? जब बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल कनिष्क वसुमित्रा थे जो कनिष्क ने जो मीटिंग की थी, जो बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल किया था फर्स्ट, तो वो वसुमित्रा थे. फर्स्ट नहीं, फोर्थ. महायामा सेक्ट. महायान सेक्ट ऑफ बुद्धिज्म इमर्ज ड्यूरिंग द रीन ऑफ कनिष्क. महायान तो तभी आया जब कनिष्क के समय पे. विच इवेंट ऑफ बुद्धाज लाइफ इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द व्हील विथ डियर एंड इंडियन आर्ट? महात्मा बुद्ध की कौन सी जिंदगी का कौन सा क्षण को एक चक्र से, एक मृग से, इंडियन आर्ट से दिखाया जाता है? पहली प्रीचिंग को इंडिकेट किया जाता है. मधुबनी टेम्पल हैज़ बीन बिल्ट एट बोध गया where Gautam Buddha received enlightenment. The Buddhist Vriksh in Bodh Gaya belongs to which generation of its family? Fifth generation. The teaching of the Buddha are related to purity and holiness of conduct. Who wanted to become the leader of the Sangha even during the lifetime of Buddha? Devdutt was the person. The concept of enlightenment path forms the theme of Chakra Pravartan Sutta. The entry of women as bhikshuni into the Buddhist Sangha was allowed as Gautam Buddha at Vaishali. The first वैशाली में स्टार्ट किया women को, Buddhist भिक्षुनी को. And the first women to be admitted into the Buddhist Sangha as महाप्रजापति गौतमी was महाप्रजापति गौतमी, उनकी खुद की माँ. Who is called crypto Buddhist? Shankaracharya. What is Tripitaka? Collection of the preachings of Buddha. Tripitaka is the most important holy book of Buddhism. It has been divided into three parts, namely Sutta Pitaka consists of sermons and preachings of Buddha, Vinay Pitaka, the collection of the rules governing the Sangha and the monks, and Abhidhamma Pitaka, which deals with the philosophy of Buddhism. Which Buddhist text contains the rules of monastic life? Vinaya Pitaka. Which Buddhist literature contains the Buddha's sermons on matters of ethics and doctrine? Sutta Pitaka. Who compiled Abhidhamma Pitaka? महाकश्यप. अभिधम्म पिटक किसने लिखी? कश्यप ने. Who compiled Abhidhamma Pitak? Mahayan Kashyap. Yamka belongs to Buddhist Abhidhamma. Abhidhamma Pitak consists of 7 books. Yamka, Pattana, Kathavatu, Pagalpanthi, and Dhatu Katha, Vibhanga, and Dhammasangi. The ancient Indian Buddhist monasteries, a ceremony called Pavrana used to be held. It was Pavrana क्यों होता था? Confession by monks of their offences committed during their stay in the monasteries during the rainy season. Asokram monastery was situated in Patliputra. Where is the highest in the world Vishwasanti Stupa, located in Bihar, Rajgir में, where the word stupa has been used for the first time. ऋग वेदा में यूज हो गया था. The stupa site, which is not connected with any incident of Buddha's life, is सांची. सांची बुद्ध के लाइफ से एसोसिएटेड नहीं है. Who is known as Light of Asia? गौतम बुद्ध को लाइट ऑफ एशिया बोला है एडविन एर्नोल्ड ने, जिन्होंने किताब लिखी है द लाइट ऑफ एशिया बेस्ड ऑन द बुद्धा's life. With reference to cultural history of India, which is the correct description of the term paramitas, perfection whose attainment led to the bodhisattva path? Sir Edwin Arnold, the light of Asia is based on Lalit Vistar. Gautam Buddha was elevated to the position of God during the period of Kanishka. Name of the mudra which is represented by Gandhara Buddha image of Sarnath. First sermon Dharma Chakra. The standing statue of Gautam Buddha was built in which period? Kusana period में. The Lord Buddha's image is sometimes shown with the hand gesture called Bhumi Sparsh Mudra. It symbolizes Buddha's calling of the earth to witness his purity and charity despite the temptation of Mara. Sarnath Buddha image of Bhumi Sparsha Mudra belongs to Gupta period. In the Mahayana Buddhism, the Bodhisattva Alokiketeshwara was also known as Padmapani. The largest and the most evolved rock-cut Chaitya hall of Himalayan face is situated at Karle, Pune. Which Indian Buddhist monk had been sent to China in the 1st century AD? Nagarjuna. The doctrine चाइना भेजा गया था नागार्जुन को. द डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ वॉइड मतलब शून्यता वॉज प्रोपाउंडेड बाय बुद्धिस्ट फिलोसफर नागार्जुना ने. द डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ वॉइड या डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ शून्यता नागार्जुन ने. टू विच बुद्धिस्ट स्कूल डिड नागार्जुना बिलोंग्स टू? माध्यमिका. वल्लभी यूनिवर्सिटी वॉज सिचुएटेड इन गुजरात. हु हैज़ प्रोपाउंडेड द डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ momentariness Buddha? With reference to Indian literary work, what is Digha Nikaya, an important Buddhist text in Pali? All commentaries written by different scholars in Buddha's preachings. Which sect was associated with Gosala Maskariputra Ajivikas? Who adopted Ajivika sect? Bindusar, son of Chandragupta Maurya. Vajji Janpada was known for birth of Buddha. Buddha lived approximately at the same time Confucius. The third vehicle in Buddhism was known as Vajrayana. It emerged in 700 AD and very liberal sect. It was the most close to Hinduism, like mantra, the and idol worship was prevalent. Which state is known as cradle of Buddhism? Bihar. Who taught the doctrine of Sunyata, Sunyavad? Nagarjun. Who was credited to spread the Jainism in South India? Bhadrabahu. The Vikramshila Mahavira, a great center of education, was founded by Dharmapala. Dharmapala, where has the world largest monolith statue of Buddha has been installed? Banyan. Name of the clan of Buddha? Sakya. The first Buddhist council was resulted into compilation of Buddha's teaching. Second Buddhist was turned into division of Buddhism in two parts: Stharvadins and Mahasamgika. Who were Mahasamgikas? Who did not abide by the original teachings of Buddha. They were titled as liberal in outlook. Mahasamgika. And Stahirvadins जो स्थिर रहे, they remained intact with the original teaching of the Buddha. Third Buddhist council was known for spread of Buddhism by Asokan efforts. Fourth Buddhist council was resulted into division of Hinayan and Mahayana. Theravada Buddhism was original form of Stahirvadins. Theravada. Asoka was the follower of which sect of Buddhism? Theravada school. Hinayan was originated from Theravada school of Buddhism, as it was also an orthodox sect. Mahayana was originated from Mahasamgika sect, liberal. Bodhisattva was the concept existing in Mahayana. Kanishka and the Harshvardhan followed Mahayana. In 18th century AD, the most liberal sect of Buddhism came in existence in Bengal, Vajrayana. Lama Guru concept is associated with Vajrayana. Buddha's preaching were related with purity of thought and conduct. Buddha and Mahavira were contemporary of Bimbisara. In Buddhism, what does Patimokha stand the rules of संघास? फर्स्ट बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल कहाँ पे हुई थी? 483 ईसा पूर्व में हुई थी, जस्ट आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ महात्मा बुद्धा, सत्तापानी केव राजगीर में, RVPK। और अजात शत्रु ने करवाई थी। दूसरा काला अशोक, तीसरा अजात शत्रु, पहला अजात शत्रु, फिर काला अशोक, फिर अशोक और फिर कनिष्का। पहले में महाकश्यप, दूसरे में सबकामी, तीसरे में मोगलीपुत्ता तिस्सा, चौथे में वसुमित्रा और अश्वघोष वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, वसुमित्रा मंक ऑफ सर्वास्तिवादा स्कूल। उपाली रिसाइटेड विनय पत्रिका। उपाली ने क्या लिखा? विनय पत्रिका। विनय पिटक लिखा। विनय किसने लिखा? उपाली ने। आनंदा ने क्या लिखा? सुत्ता पिटक। आनंदा ने क्या लिखा? सुत्ता पिटक लिखा। Buddhist order splitted into Sthairvadins believes in the teachings of elders and the Mahasamgika members of the great community. The last section division of Buddhism into Mahayana and Hinayan. Buddha taught orally and none of the Buddha's speeches were written down during his lifetime. अब आ गया जैनिज्म।